I'm now going to look at the healing tool within Photoshop. I'm going to choose the woman image from my assets. And in this particular case, I want to try and remove some of the blemishes on the face. To do this, I'm going to use the healing tool. Again, like the clone tool, I'm going to hold Alt and choose a target area. And now, holding down the left-hand mouse button, I can manipulate it. And I'm going to go to a few different target areas to keep the original profile of the picture as accurate as I can. You'll notice that it's a particularly effective way of changing the image. So the final product is very definitely photoshopped. Having saved this as a new file and now opening up the original, you'll notice it's significantly different and very difficult to spot where the original blemishes were.